All right, everyone, RJ here, and do I have a massive deal alert for y'all? Okay, no, it's not the S22 Ultra, which won't be showing you the deal on right here. But if you're in the market for a foldable phone with a Pixel phone or the Pixel Fold coming out here, Samsung is being really aggressive from what I can see here. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. All right, let's go ahead here and unlock the phone. We'll go into Amazon. I got it pulled up here. Now, I do think you have to be a Prime member to get this deal because when I was logged out, I couldn't find the deal. But I will leave a link down below in the description for this particular page. Okay. So, yes, the Pixel Fold, I was looking it up on here and everything. But this is brand new. This is not refurbished, nothing like that. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 factory unlocked. You can get it in 256 gigabytes or 512. And it's a US version. Okay, now this is the Phantom Black. Now the current price $1349.99 for the 256 gigabyte model and $1469 for the 512 gigabyte model. These are brand new, y'all. Okay, now that's only in Phantom Black. Now, if you want the gray green, it's $1349, but you can only get it in the 256 gigabyte model, not the 512. But man, what a deal! When I seen this pop up on my screen, I was just like, an amazing deal right now for a brand new Z Fold 4. It's 25% off. I have no idea how long the deal will last. It is Sunday, May 21st, so I highly doubt this is going to last more than a day, okay? I mean, you never know. Like I said, I will leave a link down below in the description. They do offer trade-ins up to $401. I looked that up, and the most you can get in a trade-in is if you trade in an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you'll get that price. That's it. But yeah, there you go. For the Phantom Black, $1349, $1469. There are other colors. Some of them are used, but these right here are saying they're sold as new. So there you have it. They're getting, in my opinion, Samsung is getting very aggressive with their pricing here. 25% off is what they're saying that they're offering right now for the Z Fold 4. So that's all I wanted to show you. Links down below. If you want this phone or been on the fence about it, you might want to grab it because highly doubtful this deal is going to last long. I never know. It don't tell. It just says limited time, whatever. So anyway, yeah, there you go. Really good deal in my opinion for a foldable phone. So, informative, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this and others. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one and happy shopping.